Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver Salem 28FKV. This is a V-nose front kitchen travel trailer. It's a couple's coach, so we're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside and then back to the outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new Salem travel trailer here. And basically just a little tidbit here for you. Salem and Wildwood are both built by Forestriver. Same camper, a little bit different graphic color and a little bit different interior color. But they are the same RVs, same models, built on the same assembly line by the same people. So just something for you there. If you see a Salem or a Wildwood out there at a dealer, you know, these are basically the same units, again, just a little different coloring. We're going to start here looking toward the front section, and this again has that V nose on it, so it does give you a little bit unique kitchen aspect compared to a traditional flat front RV. So right here, kind of looking forward here, we've got our dinette area, freestanding dinette, 4 chairs, along with a little bit of storage underneath of the seats themselves. Nice big window overlooking your campsite area there. And over on the left side here, you have your sofa, which does fold into a small bed. And then it also has some storage and stuff down below. Then you have 2 pushback reclining chairs. Nice big panoramic windows. Now up into the kitchen area, you have a pretty cool little L-shaped kitchen section here. So you have some drawers down below. Has the new gray stone oven with the glass front and little LED light knobs and stuff that light up, and a light inside the oven as well. Has a glass stove top which flips up and kind of acts as a backsplash for you too. Matching gray stone microwave and also little hood range there with a fan and LED light built in. High-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. Lots of cabinets and stuff here. You'll see the pictures popping up there, kind of showing you what they all look like open and stuff. And then you also have your Everchill 12-volt, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. And the propane leak detector down below that. But overall, pretty cool little kitchen area here. Electric outlet on that side of the sink. Another electric outlet back here in this little area. Spinning on around here a little bit. A lot of vinyl floor throughout the coach. They just do a little bit there on the slide out section. Just kind of helps hide the flush floor drop down and all the mechanics of how the things have to work and everything. But for the most part, all linoleum throughout the coach except for the slide section there. Ducted air conditioning, ducted floor heat. The unit is 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floor instead of OSB like a lot of its competitors. So that's a little bit different as far as the construction part of the floor. 3/8 full walk-on roof, so you can get up there and walk around if you need to for maintenance purposes and stuff. Now back in behind this door is going to be a nice big pantry area that you're seeing pop up. So you can store some stuff there as well. Electric fireplace, little Furrion sound bar there. Plenty of room for a big flat screen TV to go on the wall for you as well. There's an electric outlet there along with your cable and satellite hookups. And then it's pre-wire for King Wi-Fi system if you want to do exchange out the traditional HD antenna that's on there for an upgraded version. It is pre-wired for that. And right beside that is the monitor panel for your holding tanks. Also has your light switches and stuff like that on there as well. Slide buttons and power awning buttons. Going back the hallway area, there's an electric outlet down below the window there. Nice sized window that does open. And then your furnace and air conditioning controls are there on the left. Going back in here, it's got a pretty good sized bathroom area as well. In-floor ducted heat, then you got ducted air throughout the roof section again. Foot flush toilet. corner shower with the glass enclosure. And then you've got another medicine cabinet there on the left, or little closet area, whatever you want to use it for. Actual medicine cabinet on the right there above the sink. And a little bit of storage down below. But overall, pretty good size bathroom. There's room to actually get in and out of there and get dressed. And there's a little fan in there also, a little roof vent fan. Spinning back to the bedroom area, you have kind of a bifold door here instead of a traditional swing door. Window on both sides of the bed. There's USB ports on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinets there, and hanging closets on both sides of the bed as well. Now the bed does actually raise up, so you can store some stuff underneath of it. There's little cubbies under there, and then below that is another little section where you could kick your shoes and things like that off underneath there. Then you can see the window over on the other side. Also got little, you have the little cubbies down there on the side of those. So if your clothes don't kind of go full length of the closet, you can still kind of just stash other things down in there without opening the door. Then there's a whole nother closet over here on this side area. And there's also TV hookups up above, so you can mount your flat screen TV right here. And a pretty decent amount of room to maneuver around the bed. But overall, pretty cool unit. Be sure to list your comments and stuff down below if this interests you at all. Also, check out couchesrvnation.com. We're going to head on to the outside here and show you around the outside some unique features out there. Be sure, again, to check out Couches RV Nation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the new Salem 28FKV travel trailer. We're going to start here in the front area. And again, you've seen Vino's front kitchen inside, so this is what the Vino's part's going to kind of look like outside here. You have two 20-pound propane tanks in that little storage compartment right there. Your city water hookup and your black tank flush are here on the side of the unit in the front corner here. Down below is a battery disconnect right there, so you can shut down the battery system for storage purposes. Power tongue jack with the LED light built in, manual override. Spinning around here, traditional 2 5/16 hitch ball, safety chain, 7-way Bargman plug. The camper does have 4-wheel electric brakes, so definitely make sure you have a brake controller in your vehicle. And you have a battery compartment right here on the front, and this has got a little slide out tray there, so you can kind of get it in and out a little easier there. 4 scissor stabilizer jacks with the JT strong arm feature you can see there below. And then you've got your stove exhaust vent up here. And also the unit has a full enclosed sectionalized underbelly. So it has removable individual panels that you can take off. It's a little bit nicer than the one-piece version, so you can do service and maintenance on it a little bit easier. Power awning here with the adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff and stuff like that. LED light strip built into the coach awning there. Nice big window overlooking the campsite area there that you can see. Large folding entry handle, traditional entry door, screen door setup. You do have the SolidStep by Lippert, which is a triple entrance step, comes down, touches the ground, holds more weight. Also allows them to position the door when they're building these things pretty much anywhere compared to the old style step. So they're able to put the door actually a little bit over the axle where they previously couldn't do that with a lot of RV floor plans. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater that you see right there. 2 outdoor speakers. Your freshwater tank fills up right here. And you've got an electric outlet also right here. Pretty large storage compartment that goes all the way across the back side here. Now, the guys have this in for service, so they're still getting everything kind of ready and stuff. So spare tire actually will mount on the bumper of the unit. They got it laying over there on the ground at the moment. But that mounts right onto the bumper. It's pre-wired for a backup camera, so you can install a backup camera on it. Or what I would recommend would be the observation camera by Furrion. It works while you're traveling down the road also, not just in reverse. The other side of the storage compartment here, you can see a little bit smaller door on this side. Detachable power cord hooks up right there. Cable and satellite hookups here also. And then down below behind the axle here, you have your gray galley and black tank dump. It all comes out of one area, but you have 3 separate handles to pull. And another nice little feature they started doing on the mid-year model change was they started putting the little prep brackets up there for slide-out awning toppers. If you wanted to do that, it's already got the gutter track with a built-in awning rail, so you can slide an awning right into that existing track. And then it's got little mounts on the corner where the feet would actually attach to it so that the awning goes in and out properly with the slide. But overall, pretty cool little unit. It's the V nose, a little different, maybe a little more wind aerodynamic. Just kind of cutting through the wind a little bit better going down the road versus a traditional flat front. But it also allowed them to do that pretty cool kitchen setup inside. Be sure, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. When the weight stickers and stuff will pop up here in a second for you. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country, and it'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested in purchasing.